Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning unit 9. Its title is Good Behavior. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today under the title of listening and speaking, we are going to learn how to express needs and feelings. Before this, in your English for grade 2, I have already taught you how to express needs and feelings. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express needs and feelings. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Fatir, verse 15, O mankind, you are those in need of Allah, while Allah is free of need, the praiseworthy. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. We need Allah. Allah is saying, oh mankind, you are in need of Allah. How? Beta, even to breathe in, even to speak, even to look at anything, we need Allah's help, because these are all the blessings of Allah we use to do something, to say something, to look at something. So Alhamdulillah, Allah has blessed us with many blessings, and yes, it's very true, we need Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So what is need, by the way? We have studied about it. Need is something like, do you remember in grade 2? So before starting our today's lecture, you tell me, how do you express your need and feelings? So whenever you need something or whatever you are feeling, how do you express it? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered that they are to express our needs and feelings. We say it and we use other communicative functions. What those are? Our body language, right? So how do we do it? Either we are saying it or we are showing it. We should not forget our good manners. This is what I remind you every time, okay? And what good manners are? Whenever you need something, say please, may I, right? And whenever you get something, say thank you. And someone says thank you to you, what you are supposed to say? You are welcome. All right? And we express our needs and feelings through our words and our body language. Look at these children. Are they happy? So how are they feeling? They're feeling happy. They're feeling great. How do we find out? By looking at them, their faces, their body language. This is how you express your feelings, right? And this is expression through your body language should be good, as well as you should use correct words to express your feelings, okay? For example, I'm feeling hungry, okay? This is what you are feeling, and this is your inner feeling. Till the time you don't express it, we won't find it. I'm feeling hungry. So when you are hungry, whatever you're feeling, there are feelings which are associated with your needs. So when you are hungry, what do you need? Yes, you need food. I need food, or I need something to eat. Please give me something to eat. Can I have something to eat? Mama, may I take this fruit because I'm feeling hungry? This is how we express our feelings and our needs, all right? And we don't make like hue and cry, oh, I'm hungry, mama. No, we should know the correct way. And what is that? Say nicely, mama, I'm feeling hungry. Can I have something to eat, please? That's all. So your feeling is telling you what do you need, all right? Next is, I'm feeling thirsty. So what do we need when we are thirsty? This is your feeling. You need water or something to drink, maybe a cold drink, right? Maybe fresh juice. So how will you say, Mama, I'm thirsty? Or even if you are not talking to your mama, you are in school. Teacher, I'm thirsty. May I drink water from my water bottle? This is how we express, I need to drink water from my water bottle. May I take it? Right? Beta, this is how your feeling tells you what do you need, and we express it in a very nice manner, like using good words. All right? Okay. I'm feeling tired. It is very natural. Beta, we are like, we get tired. So I am feeling tired. I need rest. Please excuse me for an hour. I need to take a nap. That's it. Okay. All right. So this is how in different situations we express our feelings and our need by using beautiful, nice, kind words. All right. Now all of you open your book on page number 77. Let's see what does your book say about it. Now he is a patient. You can see there are bandages on his leg. I need to go to the hospital. Definitely, a patient needs to go to hospital, right? This is how you can express. I need to go to hospital, and because I'm feeling pain in my leg, I need to go to hospital, all right? I feel happy when I'm with my friends. Yes, whenever you are with your friend, you feel good. I feel happy, all right? This is how you are expressing your feeling. I need to go to home for lunch. I'm hungry. I need to go to home for lunch. That's fine. I feel sad when I'm alone. I feel sad. I miss my friends. Right? This is how you express your feeling. By the way, beta, we should not feel sad whenever you are alone. Remember, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is with us all the time. So we are not alone at all, all right? Okay. I need to go to school to study. Yes. Why we come to school? To learn, to get knowledge. So for that we need to go to school. Right? This is how, beta, in different situations we express our needs and our feelings. Are you clear with the concept? All right. Let's practice it through an activity. Your teacher will divide class in small groups and will assign each group a situation with a need to express, okay? Each group will present in front of class how they will express their needs and feelings, okay? So in every group, a situation will be there, and you will discuss with each other how we are going to express our needs and feelings, all right? So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope all of you now understand how by using nice words we can express our feelings and needs. Very good. Now it's time for your homework. You will practice to express needs and feelings. But it is important, because every time we feel something or we need something, so it's not to practice just within school. This is every time. Wherever you need something or whatever you feel, you should know how to express it nicely. That's why do practice it at home as well. All right, so here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide this printed worksheet to students for practice. All right, so what we learned today, we learned to express needs and feelings, and we achieved our SLO to demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interaction in group 2, express needs and feelings. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.